Hi guys, I'm here visiting beautiful Ruby Falls atop Lookout Mountain in Chattanooga. It's an amazing place to visit. Just look at these incredible rock formations. But my favorite is the waterfall inside a cave. Waterfalls are beautiful, but did you know that they are also full of energy? When the water is at the top of the waterfall, just before it falls, it's full of potential energy. But once it starts falling, the energy becomes kinetic energy. That's the energy of motion. Now let's go have some fun with potential and kinetic energy. We are going to make a car that can move on its own using potential and kinetic energy on a rubber band. These are the supplies you will need. 2 old CDs, 2 pieces of cardboard. They should be 2.5 inches wide and about 5.5 inches long, or 1 inch longer than the length of your rubber band. Please make sure both pieces are exactly the same length. You'll need a pony bead or other bead that you might have around, a medium-sized rubber band, an old gift card or other piece of plastic, a low-temperature glue gun, a pair of scissors, a permanent marker, a quarter or other small round object, and a wooden skewer cut in 2. One segment should be about 5.5 inches long and one only 2 inches long. Now let's make our car. Start by using your quarter or other circular object to draw a circle onto your gift card or piece of thin plastic. Then carefully cut it out. Now make a mark in the middle of your circle and ask your parents to punch a hole big enough for your rubber band to fit through. It should look like this. Now you're going to apply glue to the small inner circle of your CD and center your plastic circle onto it. Allow it to dry, and once it is dry, flip your CD over and apply glue to the short side edge of your first piece of cardboard and glue it down close to the edge of your CD, but don't let it hang outside of the CD. Now we're going to do the same for the other piece of cardboard, placing it on the opposite end of the first piece. Once the glue is dry, apply glue to the other short side of each piece. Then place your second CD on top, carefully keeping the cardboard very straight, and allow the glue to dry. Once the glue is completely dry, insert your rubber band through your bead a short way. Then place the long skewer through the loop and tighten the rubber band around it. Now take the long end of your rubber band and pass it through the hole that has the gift card circle glued on, and pull it all the way through to the other side and through the hole in the CD. Then place the short skewer through the loop. It should look like this. You can now add a little glue to the sides of the short skewer to keep it in place and allow the glue to dry. And now your car is ready. You can decorate it if you want to. Now we're going to build potential energy in our car by winding the long skewer quite a while, build up that potential energy, and when you feel like you want it enough and you're ready to release it into kinetic energy, put it down on the ground and watch it go. Thanks for joining us, and stay curious.